PowerPoint Chapter 3 case problem number 1. Okay, now let's copy 3-3 into your working folder and then rename it as therapy. Okay, and then change and then include your name in the subtitle. Okay, number 2. On slide 2, okay, create a text box. So insert shape text box. Make it something like this. And then type star American Board of Physical Therapy Specialist. Okay. All right. Okay, in the text box, okay, turn off the wrap text. Okay, we're gonna, if you turn off the wrap text, then this will be in one line, and the size will be automatically changed. So click the Format tab, and then click the size arrow button so that you will see format shape. So this is related to the text box. So click the text box. And then here is the wrap text. So uncheck. So remove the check mark from this wrap text in shape. So this one fits in one line. So bring it down to the left. Somewhere at the bottom, we will change it. Okay, and then the right margin is 0. So click the right margin, make it 0, enter. And then right align the text. Okay, right align. So text. Okay, this should be right aligned, right? Not this. Okay, for this, why don't we just click the home tab and then click this part, right align. Align right. Okay, next. Okay, position the text box so that it is on the right edge. So move it. So put it somewhere here. So this will be on the right edge of this text box. Okay, and then number 3, on slide 3, okay, close this box. Okay, we're gonna add a chart. Okay, cluster bar chart. So click the chart arrow, chart button here, and then this is a clustered bar chart. So click the bar, and then the first one is the cluster chart. So click OK. All right. Then from this, let's change the data. So the data will be, okay, open this. Okay, click A2. Okay, click A2 and then type rotator cuff injuries. Enter. Meniscus tear. Enter. Tendon rupture, like this. And then click the B1 industry average, enter. 35, enter. 8, enter. 24. Then click C1. Okay, C1 is clinic. Type clinic at Springfield Hospital, right? And then number 26, 5, and 18. All right, and then we don't need the fifth row and the column D. So click this lower right corner and then drag it so that it fits over here at the end of C column and row 4. Okay, so actually this means we don't apply this last row, or you can click the last row and then delete, doesn't matter. Click the letter D and then delete, still okay. You can do it this way. Right, so and then change the width of column A so that it shows 157. So click the right border of column A and then move it to the right so the pixel will be 157. Something like this. It doesn't matter, approximately 157 is fine. Okay, and then number 4, drag the small blue box. This is what we did. Okay, number 5, change the style of the charts. Okay, this is chart style to 7. Number 7, style number 7 is this one. So select this chart and then change the color. So change colors to colorful palette 2. So colorful palette 2 is the second row. So select this. Okay, number 6, reposition the legend. So the legend is at the top of the chart. So click the chart, add chart element, legend. So click the legend and then bring it to select top. So the legend goes to the top. Add data labels to the outside end of the bars. So click add chart element arrow and then data label should be outside end here. Okay, number 8, change the font size of the data label. So let's close this one, close this Excel. Okay, so these are number 18, 24, these are the data labels. So click any one of these data labels once, click once. Then we selected these 3. This 3 is selected, right? So hold down the control key and then click 24. Okay, let's do it again. Click 18. So we selected these 3. So click the home tab. And then the font size is 18. Apply bold. Okay, and then click 24. We do the same thing for 24. Then it's selected three labels, right? So click make it 16 and then bold. All right. Okay, change the font size of the text in legend. Okay, this is the legend, so click the legend and the font size, make the font size 14. Okay, and then click the vertical axis, this one vertical axis text, and the font size should be also 14. And then remove the chart title. So click the design tab, and then we can remove the chart title from here. Chart title none. Okay, so we just removed it. Right, and number 11 on slide 3. Okay, we're gonna add a audio clip, an audio clip. So click the insert tab in the audio, select audio on my PC. Can navigate to the student data files folder and select recovery.mp3. Insert, and then bring it in the middle of below this red box. Okay. Okay, hide the speaker icon during a slideshow. So select, click, put the check mark on this hide during show and set it to start automatically. So click the start arrow, select automatically. Okay, next one. So we move it. Okay, and number 12. Okay, on slide 4, click the picture and we want to change the brightness. So in the format tab, as you see this correctness, the brightness, the middle is the 0, and as you move to the right, the brightness is increased by 20%. But we want 5%, right? So why don't we just pick the bottom of the last one, picture corrections options. So from here, the brightness should be 5%, and the contrast is 20%. Enter. And then sharpen 25%. So the sharpness is over here, so make it 25%. Type 25. Okay, on slide 5, let's close this. Okay, on slide 5. Okay, change the color. So click the picture and the color saturation. So click the home format tab. Color arrow. This is the color saturation. That is 66%. So select the third one, which is saturation 66%. Okay, and we want to change the temperature. So click the color arrow. And then the color tone. Okay, from this color tone, the temperature is 5300 K. So select the third one. No, second one. Second one is 5300 K. So select this second picture. Right. Okay, number 14. Click the accessibility of the representation. So click presentation. So click the review tab and then check accessibility. So we have 2 errors. Okay, from this, add this as alt text for OD icon. So click the first one. So is this OD icon? No. Select the second one. So this one is, once it's clicked this, the OD icon is selected, right? So click the arrow. We can select add a description so that we can add this alt text. So click this alt text. I'm gonna copy and paste this sentence to save time. Audio, where's my A? Alright, and then add this text for chart. Control C. Okay, chart is this one. Right, this is chart. So do the same thing, arrow. Just add descriptions. Come on. Okay, let me close this. Add description. Did we already add? Okay, so let me close this and then right click. Okay, right click on here and then add alt text. Okay, and then Control V. This chart, red chart. So, if you cannot see this one like what we did before, you can do this way. Click on a background, the background of this chart, and then select add alt text, then type this sentence. Okay, check the reading order on all the slides and then make sure, okay, move the text placeholder so it is selected second. So this is okay. There are 5 slides and they're all fine. So press F5, then make sure it works.
The average recovery time of patients at the peak.
Okay. Done. So this case problem is easy and it didn't take much. All right, we're done.